What is up, everybody? So, we're just going to do a quick weekly outlook on what I expect for this week on NQ. So, starting off on Forex Factory, what do we have going on for this week? So, we had daylight savings, right, over the weekend. Today's Monday. We have FOMC member Cook, and then just another yellow folder today. Tuesday, we don't have anything crazy, just some small news impacts, but the biggest one obviously is this FOMC member speaking at 10 a.m. We don't really have anything crazy until Wednesday, where we have Jerome Powell speaking at 9:15, so 15 minutes before market open. Thursday, we have unemployment claims, and then we have Powell in the afternoon. And then Friday, we have UOM consumer sentiment at 10. So not too much of a high impact week, but still enough to, do some damage here and there. I expect some good price movements today. So let's dive into a higher time frame analysis here. So I'm trying to find, I don't have it on that one. I have it in a minute queue. Okay. So let's take a look at the 1 week. What price is doing on the weekly chart here. Let me fix that. Not sure why it didn't work. There we go. Is that it? Nope, that's the wrong one. Or no, that is the right one. Never mind. I was looking at the wrong chart. Okay, so I'm in Q. Take a look at the 1 week. So we have price. It came up, down, 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 bouncing off of what I know was a monthly fair value gap, I believe. Yeah, last month we dipped into this fair value gap. Now we're reacting out of it, right? So on the month time frame, we are bullish. On the weekly time frame, we had a massive green candle overtaking all of this, but I don't see bullish momentum yet until this high gets taken out. So whether this candle takes it out, we'll see. If it does, then I think we see all-time highs by the end of the year. So that would be crazy. But on here, I don't see where we would be reacting out of, really. We have this breaker right there, this one right there, and it reacted off of the 50% mark of it, so the CE, the consequent encroachment of it, reacted out of it on the weekly, so bullish momentum there. Daily chart, if you look at my last week video, I said that I wouldn't expect to be bullish until we have a daily close above here. So overall, it's the same messaging between all these other charts. So let's take this off, take that off, take that off. That one doesn't count anymore. That doesn't count anymore. So we still have this daily fair value gap. Still counting this one. So now we have this daily fair value gap. And we have another one right below it. We also, sorry, my voice. We also have a breaker right there. Breaker block right there. No, can I make it a different color? There we go. So we have a breaker block right there that price could come back down and tap into if it wants to. Before shooting off again. We are sitting in this order block right now. This up close candle should hold price down if it wants to keep going down, because right now we have a bearish order flow, right? We're respecting bearish PD arrays here. We come up, boom, coming down. So if we want to keep going down, I do think that we still have that drawn liquidity there. That is a nice point where we could gravitate towards. Let's take a look from that high to this low. Yeah, we're sitting around that OTE area. Here we're past it already. We're in deep premium. So we'll see what is gonna happen this week for there. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it could be a market maker buy model all the way up to here. So I think that we are reaching for this as a draw early in the week. So I do think that is a draw for the beginning of the week, because we are very bullish on these time frames. Look at this. So we could drop a little bit, take out this low this morning, and before crushing it back up. So I think that we might go up into this daily fair value gap again before either a retracement of some kind or a reversal. We'll know when the time comes. But as of right now, I do think we are heading up into this area before wanting to come down lower for a bit. So that is my analysis for the week. These are the PD arrays that I am looking for to be respected down here. If it does come back down and wants to continue higher, if it comes up, I want to see it respect this one, wiping out this liquidity right there. I do think that's the draw for the early in the week before coming back down. So if we want to continue down, reversing off of this point, I believe that this is the draw for that. Because on the higher time frames, we have some bearish. I believe on the week, we are bearish still. On the day, we are bearish still. On the month, we are somewhat bullish, right? We came back down, and now this could be just a continuation up. So month still looks bullish. And the 4-hour looks bullish. So weekly, daily is bearish, month, 4 hours bullish. So I do think that we have a short-term bull run here. Not bull run, but like a bullish run up into this area, like I said, before crashing back down. So that's what I think is going to happen this week. We'll play whatever the market gives us every day. Take it a day at a time. And that's pretty much it. Just be safe.